it's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as it's a connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're with 𝐸 with a freestyle. Plugged in with Fumez. I haven't reacted to one I plugged in with Fumez freestyle for a long time. So I'm sure I'm gonna have a lot to catch up on. So back in the UK, as we do, back in the UK. Plugged in with Fumez, the engineer, Mixtape Madness. 𝐸. Let's go, bro. And see what it. Let me see. Let's go.
Let's go. 28, baby.
Hey, yo, sing on the beat.
Fumez, plugged in. You know anything from my father. 𝐸. Fully active, my father.
Fully active. Fully active, the G say.
Yeah, God. Boom, pussy turn red when I fuck that. I might sign up, they can't touch that.
He's out. He's out.
Let's go.
Pussy turn red when I fuck that. I might sign. Well, let's go again.
What we drinking?
It's F28, baby.
F28, upset.
Hey, yo, sing on the beat.
Fumez.
Wanna start taking serious enough? Wanna better start taking 𝐸 serious. I'm bad. Yeah.
𝐸.
Look on the G t-shirt. Vibes Cartel. We do what upon it. Vibes Cartel with a supplement. With a So supplement. So this drink here is the equivalent for nourishment or nutriment in the UK. This is a supplement. Better than nutriment. By far. Let's go.
Fully active, my father. Yeah, God. Boom, pussy turn red when I fuck that. I might sign up, they can't touch that. Blicky in the bag, not a lunch back. Got a fun stack, them a dunce back.
Ease out. Ease out. Pussy turn red when I fuck that. I might sign them can't touch. What I'm saying? Voila, let's go again.
Boom,
Pussy turn red when I fuck that.
I might sign up, they can't touch that.
I might style and flow them can't touch that. Yeah. Pussy turn red when I fuck that. I might style and flow them can't touch that.
Blicky in the bag, not a lunch back.
Blicky in the bag, not a lunch pack. Yeah. Blicky in the blood clot bag. Pussy, pull up now. Pull up. Run up.
Pussy turn red
when I fuck that.
I might sign up, they can't
touch that.
Blicky in the bag,
not lunch pack.
Got a fun stack, them a dunce back. With a run chat, we bring darkness out when the sun up.
We bring darkness out when the sun hot, brother. No matter what time of day it is, I could have 12 p.m. It look like a 12 a.m. Cause darkness we bring dark in a man. Fully dark.
Our lunch back, got a fun stack, them a dunce back. With a run chat, we bring darkness out when the sun up. Come a dun chat, I said fuck that. Oh, with the money there, pussy, you run that.
I pussy all the money there, run it. Where the money there? Up with the money I go down in a hole. Run that. What the fuck, dear dog? That's what the G say. That's what the G say. Yo, you better start taking him serious, you know. Remember when you used to laugh after the youth, yeah? UK. Remember when you used to laugh after him? You better start taking him serious because the youth talented. Him bad. Him that bad, dog. Him that bad, brother.
Look, boom, give me space, give me room. Chat, I said fuck that stack, them a dunce back. With a run chat, we bring darkness out when the sun up. Come a dun chat, I said fuck that. Oh, with the money there, pussy, you
run that.
Look, boom, give me space, give me room. Rap back one at a time, you never true. Look.
Give me space, give me room, brother. Rock back one at a time, you know what, brother. I'm violence, the man I keep up right down the dog. I bad it up. I like it to the dog. Let's go.
Yo, run that.
Yeah.
Boom. Give me space, give me room. Rap back one at a time, you never true. Music don't work out for me. I'ma go back to the line like a queue.
If music not work out for him, he might go back to the street. He might go back to a queue and a line. I make a line and go back on it. Cause the boss don't know him hustling skills from them time there. But him just do the music. But he must say, if music don't work out for him, not it go work out for you, G. You don't have to go back there, sir.
Fuck that. Oh, the money there, pussy, you
run that. Run it.
Boom. Give me space, give me room. Rap back one at a time, you never true.
No.
Music don't work out for me. I'ma go back to the line like a queue. Look, Fumez take a fuck up the tune and me no life stress, so don't fuck up my zoo. Look.
Whoa! You like stress, you don't fuck up a zoo. So him tell us say, yo, him not like stress, let him fuck up. Yeah,
I'ma go back to the line like a queue. Look, Fumez take a fuck up the tune and me no life stress, so don't fuck up my zoo. Look, I tell a boy shut up and move, don't fuck up and lose. Yeah, that.
Shut up and move. Don't fuck up and lose. Don't fuck up, you know. Don't fuck up, you know. Me tell a boy shut up and move. Don't fuck up and lose. Yo. Pull up. We are running it again. Pull up. We are running it again. We are running it again.
we drinking?
We are running it again.
Baby.
End that big up. Films big up for having him on for your show.
Fumez.
God them things are joking. Them not rated G, brother. All off now. All off now. Fuck out now. Father.
God.
Yeah.
Pussy turn red when I fuck that. I might style upload, they can't touch that. Blicky in the bag, not a lunch back. Got a fun stack, them a dunce back.
Let me just say this. Films, let me talk to you now. I don't think you've had anyone on your show with so much energy like this youth.
My style upload, they can't touch
Facts.
that. Blicky in the bag, not a lunch back. Got a fun stack, them a dunce back. With a run jack, we bring darkness out when the sun up. Come and done jack, I said fuck that. Oh, with the money there, pussy, or run that.
Run it.
Boom, give me space, give me room. Rap back one at a time, you never true. Look, music don't work out for me. I'ma go back to the line.
And I'm a cue.
Look, Fumez take a fuck up the tune and me no like.
If music don't work out for me, I'ma go back to the line like a cue. Alright, that is what it means. So them break on that. If music don't work out for me, I'ma go back to the line like a cue. When you have a burner phone, this is not a burner phone, this is my work phone. When you have a burner phone, you call it your line. You call it your line. I'm explaining for people that's not in the UK right now, guys. Easy. When you have a phone, when you get your call and you call it a line. So, I'm tell you, say if music don't work out for him, he might go back to the line like a cue. Cue, line, cue, get it? Twist pan word, but
Music don't work out for me. I'ma go back to the line like a cue. Look, Fumez take a fuck up the tune and me no like stress, so don't fuck up my zoo. Look, I tell a boy shut up and move, don't fuck up and lose. Yeah, that. One chord before the father, sitting in the back with the cards of drama. Two gal me a pop in the bar in Gibraltar.
You're the bastard of the eating now, dog.
So don't fuck up my zoo. Look, I tell a boy shut up and move, don't fuck up and lose. Yeah, that. One chord before the father, sitting in the back with the cards of drama. Two gal me a pop in the bar in Gibraltar. This one fuck, she call a master. After, my god, bud, give me like a brother. Fuck her night.
No, listen.
One
Wait.
chord before the father, sitting in the back with the cards of drama. Two gal me a pop in the bar in Gibraltar. This one fuck, she call a master.
So she want fuck, she call him master. RN. After my hold on. This line is very hold on, man.
Sitting in the back with the cards of drama. Two gal me a pop in the bar in Gibraltar. This one fuck, she call a master. After, my god, bud, give me like a brother.
You're a girl, bad girl, like a brata. So him say after I'm done, fuck it. Him girl, bad game, like a brata. Alright. Listen, I'm gonna break down the line now. Cause the line here, to me, I don't like the line here. Me don't like the line here, end that. Remember say we are yard man. Remember say you know about the culture. So if you know about the culture, you know what brata is. In a Jamaica. You know what brata is. But brata a body wash. Brata when a girl put tongue in your body, brother. You see me? Remember say alkaline, then it beat alkaline fi say wood suck body wash at a brata, you know. You see me? Then it beat it from them time there. So you know you are sing about it now, say after you done fuck, your girl get look a brata. That not nice. Me don't like the part there. Everything is nice apart from the part there. Sorry. I'm just pointing out the obvious. We don't like it. We don't like it.
This one fuck, she call a master. After, my god, bud, give me like a brother. Fuck her night, give me like a water, Hey yo, look, if I don't get no pussy, what? Yeah, I go fuck up my sleep. Yeah, it's my time now.
If I don't get no pussy, I'm fuck up my sleep.
Yo, look, if I don't get no pussy, what? Yeah, I go fuck up my sleep. Yeah, it's my time now, they can't stop me. Everyone else fuck off and leave. Why?
My time now. They can't stop me. Everybody else just fuck off and go. Just fuck off and go. Just leave, brother. Film time now.
Yeah, I go fuck up my sleep. Yeah, it's my time now, they can't stop me. Everyone else fuck off and leave. YGP is the team if a killer gets silly with the mini 14 and nobody.
YGP is the team if a killer get yo.
Everyone else fuck off and leave.
Leave.
YGP is the team if a killer gets silly with the mini 14 and nobody like me. It's never proposing them boy, they're pussy, they gotta adore me. What your ass with the stop me? Everyone else fuck off and leave. YGP is the team if a killer gets silly with the mini 14 and nobody like me. It's never proposing them boy, they're pussy, they gotta adore me. What your ass with the bomber? Pump here, tear out your jumper.
What the Ross? What the bomber clot? What the bomber? I pump you the shot here, tear up your jumper, brother. Your shot here, tear up your jumper. Listen, man.
They gotta adore me. What your ass with the bomber? Pump here, tear out your jumper. Yeah, me sing pussy turn red. Now every girl wants to call me number.
Yeah, me sing pussy turn red. No, every girl want to take off him jump. Every girl want to take all him number. Big bumbo clap. Big bumbo clap. What am say? Big bumbo clap. If I bust it on me head. Hot sexy girl. Say they want to give me head. What me fuck pussy? Pussy turn red. That's not them what talk. What?
Pump it and tear out your jumper. Yeah, me sing pussy turn red. Now every girl want to call me number. Hot girl cock up your bumper. Wine for the G, make a shake like thunder. Back it up, chop, thumper. Press I can we never go under. You must think me a idiot. This guy must think me a mad. If you don't run no pussy, my girl can get your own cab.
Oh my, if you don't run the pussy, make your way home. Make sure you have your vex station money. Make sure you can get your way home. Make sure you can make your way home. Ladies, when I go check M.R, make sure you have your vex station money. Your taxi fare, your bus fare, your anything fare, your Uber. Have something.
This guy must think me a mad. If you don't run no pussy, my girl can get your own cab. Pass me the high-grade Whistler. Right now me a jump in the lab. Yeah. Big bumper class lift light up. Light up now everything mad.
Pass me the bumbo clock, Whistler right now, me a jumping at the lab. So I'm tell you, say, yo, him a build up him split first to go in the lab, but all the meds. Cause the weed give him a meditation, they go in the lab, go do him a do, you know?
Right now me a jump in the lab. Yeah. Big bumper class lift light up. Light up now everything mad. What was that? You must think me a idiot. This guy must think me a mad. If you don't run no pussy, my girl can get your own cab. Pass me the high-grade Whistler. Right now me a jump in the lab. Big bumper class lift light up. Light up now everything mad.
Fumez, the engineer.
Got Fumez face. The governor said, let me see what is the forward. I don't think nothing else is forward like that. Just the 28th. Alright. Yo, big up yourself, M.Dot. I just me have a problem with the router line still, cause you know me a real Jamaican, so me have a problem with that. You understand? But apart from that, bro, the energy up. Fumez, big up yourself. Fumez, at the first I see so much energy in your studio, right? At the first I get so much energy in a plugged in, right? Yeah. Like we see who is laughing now. The G show you say him talented. Him show you say him have lyrics. Him show you say him can execute. Him show you say him bad. So, if Uno still want to take him for a joke, then that's up to Uno. That's up to you guys if you want to take him for a joke. But the G ain't a joke. The G ain't a joke. M.Dot is not a joke. You see me? So, big up yourself, M.Dot. You see me? This is my leader want to say. If you enjoy that one and want to see more from your G, let me know in the comment section which one to react to next, and I will surely do that. Alright, when I get the chance, because we have a lot. You understand? I'll see you guys soon. Peace!
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And this is a rip corner.